Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial you will learn how to log in on Wix.com. So first of all you have to go on the official website of Wix.com, and then on the website you will see this type of window. How will you know about your account is logged in? Just simply you have to look on the top right corner on the screen. Here you will see your Gmail icon. You have to click on this Gmail icon. Once you click on the icon, the pop-up will appear on your screen, and here you have to go down, and in the last right corner of this pop-up you will see logout button. Just simply you have to click on it. Once you clicked on the button, then you will see this type of window on your screen, and your account has been logged out. So guys, this is how to log out on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.